Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Have you ever experienced that heart-sinking moment when you accidentally delete an important document, a cherished photo, or an entire folder of crucial files? It's a horrible feeling, right? Well, don't panic. Today, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted files from your computer and get those lost documents, photos, and folders back fast. This is an updated guide with the most effective methods, so let's dive in. The absolute first place you should always check is your recycle bin. Think of it as a safety net for recently deleted items. Simply double click the recycle bin icon on your desktop. If your file is there, fantastic. Just right click on the file or folder you want to restore and go ahead and select Restore. It will instantly go back to its original location, easy peasy. But what if it's not in the recycle bin? Maybe you permanently deleted it or it was too large to go into the bin. Don't worry, we have got more advanced solutions. For Windows users, if you have been smart and set up file history, you are in luck. This feature regularly backs up versions of your files. Go to your Windows settings, search for Backup Settings, and click on Go to Backup and Restore. That is for Windows 7. Or directly search for Restore your files with file history. From there, you can browse through different versions of your folders and restore what you need. Okay, so you've checked the recycle bin and your built-in backup tools didn't have what you needed. This is where data recovery software comes in. This is your last resort, but often your most powerful one. When a file is deleted from your computer, it's often not truly gone immediately. The operating system just marks that space as available for new data. Data recovery software can scan your hard drive for these deleted files and help you recover them before they are overwritten. There are many reliable options out there, both free and paid. Some popular ones include EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, Recuva, and Disk Drill. When using data recovery software, stop using your computer immediately after realizing you have deleted a file. The more you use your computer, the higher the chance that the deleted file's space will be overwritten by new data, making recovery impossible. Also, install the recovery software as on a different drive than the one you are trying to recover from if possible. If you install it on the same drive, you risk overwriting the very data you are trying to retrieve. Once installed, the software will guide you through a scan of your drive. Be patient as this can take some time. After the scan, you'll see a list of recoverable files. You can often preview them before restoring. While these methods are great for getting back lost files, the best strategy is always prevention. Regular backups. Use file history, time machine in Mac, or invest in an external hard drive and back up your important files regularly. Set a schedule and stick to it. Cloud storage is also key. Utilize cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. They offer automatic syncing and version history, which is a lifesaver. Double check before deleting as well. A quick moment of caution can save you hours of recovery efforts. So there you have it. Don't let accidental deletion ruin your day. By knowing these methods, checking your recycle bin, using built-in backup tools, and if necessary, deploying data recovery software, you can significantly increase your chances of getting those crucial files back. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.